Welcome to 6557 Ptarmigan Way. I'm Trevor Pelland with the Coast to Coast Real Estate Team. I'm proud to present this beautiful ocean view North Nanaimo home with a suite. This home has 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms in total, including a 2-bedroom suite. Meticulously updated, this home features glass railings, bird deterrents, and natural gas appliances and heating. Walking through the private office leads you to a backyard oasis. Composite decking and anchored fencing are built to last. Thanks again for taking a look at this home with me today. This is a one-of-a-kind home in North Nanaimo. If you're someone who is keen on the details, looking for amazing ocean views, the convenience of having a suite, and being on one of the best roads in all of Nanaimo, this might be the home for you. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions about this home or all things Vancouver Island real estate. Once again, I'm Trevor Pelland with the Coast to Coast Real Estate Team. Thank you very much for watching.